Moving on, heavy rains and gusty winds battered India's eastern states of Odisha and West Bengal as severe cyclonic storm Dana made landfall.
India's Meteorological Department said that Dana made landfall on the Odisha coast with wind speeds of up to 120 kilometers an hour. The coastal districts in Odisha and neighboring West Bengal have been witnessing extremely heavy rain due to the impact of the cyclone. Dana is threatening to impact nearly half of Odisha's population, with Bengal expected to witness extremely heavy to very heavy rain on Friday as well.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi discussed the preparations with Odisha Chief Minister over the phone as well. The state has set up more than 5,000 cyclone shelters and evacuated over 360,000 people from vulnerable areas. 19 teams of National Disaster Response Force (NDRF) and 51 teams of Odisha Disaster Rapid Action Force have been deployed. The state government has also issued helpline numbers for the affected districts.
Meanwhile, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has announced that the state had identified more than 300,000 people for evacuation from low-lying areas. The government claimed that nearly 250,000 people had already taken shelter in relief camps.